Hey everybody, Dr. Heather here again. Just wanted to give you a quick kind of overview of the syllabus, right? So we've had several people email me with questions about due dates and the like. So I just want to kind of go through the syllabus step by step, talking about discussion board postings when they're due, when the readings are due as well. I'll also push out a notification to everybody with the exact due dates on them. However, since this is an online course, there's a bit more flexibility involved than if we were meeting face-to-face. So what I would like to suggest to each and every one of you is that you treat this as if it is, in fact, a face-to-face course. So you set aside time each week at a particular time, at a particular date, to sit down at the computer to do the work, to go through the lectures, to post to the discussion board postings. Now, I know this isn't always possible to do, and that's why there's a bit more flexibility here. So what I strongly suggest is that for every week, you take that time to, for example, for week 1, familiarize yourself with Western Online, the syllabus, and the course requirements. That's what you're going to do this week. Going to respond to discussion board posting 1, at least by Saturday at 11:30, and then watch the video on Crash Course Sociology, which kind of gives you an overview of theoretical overview of what it is that we're going to be talking about throughout the entire semester. For week 2, I would suggest that you do that again at that weekly basis. So just keep going through it week by week until you get to the end of the first module. So there is a hard due date for under the ethnographic case study, which is in week 5, I believe it is. 2, 4, 5, yep. The short essay is due by March 2nd at 11:30 p.m. And there's also on the calendar, it says this as well, and the Dropbox. The first exam will be due by March 9th at 11:30 p.m. And no penalty will be given to anybody who hasn't posted their discussion board postings on a weekly basis, but all of that stuff in Module 1 should be done by that date. Module 2 is then the same thing. So short essay number 2 is due March 23rd by 11:30 p.m. The fieldwork assignment is due the following week, March 30th by 11:30 p.m. And then the group project, which I will assign leaders to participants in before the end of Module 1, will be due April 6th, excuse me, at 11:30 p.m. And then the second exam is May 10th by 11:30 p.m. So again, this is a little bit more of a self-paced course, but there are hard deadlines at the end of Module 1 and the end of Module 2, and for the essay exams and those types of papers. So I hope that this helps clarify a little bit those questions about due dates for things. Again, I strongly encourage you to set aside time every day, every week to be able to do this, and make sure that it becomes part of your routine. So if you have any other questions, just shoot me an email and we'll answer them. I think somebody had a question about when the required texts are due. You can look through, again, you can look through the syllabus and see, for example, the case studies deal with the Shadows in the Sun text that you're required. The Mama Lola is the group project, so that's not actually going to be due until April. And then Anthropology and Religion, the textbook, you're going to be using that the entire semester long. And yes, you do use all 3 books. You read all of them. So you do need to purchase them. They're pretty inexpensive on Amazon and the like. So, okay, good luck, and thanks for sharing the videos that you posted so far. You guys look like you're a great group, and I'm really looking forward to interacting with you over the course of the semester. So stay warm and don't get snowed in this weekend. Okay, bye.